Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make paneer peas pulao. A fragrant and mildly spiced paneer pulao is a toothsome treat that delights everyone. It's an exotic rice dish, super easy to make and tastes delicious. And it's a satisfying lunch box meal for kids also. So let's get started. For making this delicious meal, I have taken half a cup of frozen peas that I had soaked in hot water, 250 grams of paneer diced into cubes, pinch of saffron soaked in milk, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small cinnamon sticks and 2 bay leaves. And rice I have washed and soaked. I have taken 1 cup of rice, 8 to 10 cashews that we will be using for garnishing, 2 green chilies slit and a small bunch of fresh mint and coriander leaves, and oil I have taken 3 tablespoons. Now in a pan I have heated up 2 tablespoons of oil and added paneer cubes to it. We have to shallow fry them on all sides. Once they are fried, we will remove them from the oil. And then in the same pan we will add all the whole spices, cumin seed, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, black cardamom and bay leaves. Saute a bit and then add ginger garlic paste. Saute them properly and then add peas. Fry them properly on low flame and then add salt, coriander powder and cumin seed powder. Mix properly and let the spices mix with the peas. And then I'll be adding half a liter of water. Quantity of water depends upon the rice quality also, so you can check the packaging how much water is needed. And then I'm adding garam masala and chilies, mint and coriander. These chilies are mild, so if you want it totally mild for kids, you can skip chilies or you can just add 1. But these are mild, they give very mild flavor, and sometimes kids don't come to know that chilies are added if we add green chilies. Bring it to boil and then add soaked rice. So here I have kept high flame now. So once I add rice, I'll keep high flame for around 5 to 6 minutes till water is absorbed. You can check salt also at this stage if more salt is needed. Once almost all the water is absorbed, I had kept flame on high. So at this stage we will be adding paneer. Stir gently, and I am saving some paneer pieces for garnishing later. And then I'll add saffron milk. Saffron milk is optional, you can skip it also. I'll cover it and let it cook on low flame for around 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll fry cashews. In a pan I have heated up 1 tablespoon of oil, added cashews. Fry them, we will be using them for garnishing. So once they start turning brown, we'll take them off heat. After 5 minutes on low flame, our splendid paneer pulao is ready. Now we will dish it out. So we'll garnish it with the paneer cubes and cashews. With plain yogurt or raita makes a fairly balanced veg meal, and it's a perfect meal for kids' lunchbox also. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.